it's Marilyn from Marilyn's in Naples, Florida at 650 Goodliffe Frank Road, and I'm watching the windows behind here and the cars go back and forth. And I love it when customers come in and sit on the couch and they look, and even myself, I'll take a cup of tea and take a look here for just a little stop in the middle of the day. Well, a lot more trunk shows hopefully coming this year. We have some commitments. I kind of held people back from last for this year because it was our first year here at 650 Goodliffe Frank, and I wanted to kind of get a feeling about what we were going to be doing and how it was going to move. And you very much impressed us, and you almost made me feel I'm invincible. I can go anywhere and you'll find me. But with that in mind, I did want to share this with you, and I kind of was thinking about this morning. One of it is some of the expectations that I have is, number one, the first thing I'm going to do, leave on the 26th, and I get on the 27th, and I will be going to Alexandra's house. And what we do there is we go in her laboratory, and we have some things we really want to do. One of the things she does is she did give me a sneak peek. She's got a new bag collection, which I'm excited to see when I get there. And I know that you'll all be excited when she comes in February, but you'll see it before then, I'm sure. But she will be here to do custom stuff. And she's bringing her sister with her, which we're all excited about because she's a concert violinist, like for real. So we're excited about that. So that's one of the things coming up. And I thought I would tell you for the Christmas party on December 2nd, so we're going to have a live auction, but I won't tell you any more than that. And I really have next year's planned a lot, but I thought I'd sneak preview that kind of stuff in. But when I'm with her, one of the things we're going to do is we're going to develop a Marilyn's belt collection because we, and not anybody else, and nor have I been able to find anybody that was really with what I really wanted. And what I really, really like, I know this is black, so I don't know if you can really see it, but I like a belt to have a fabric, a leather covered buckle, so you don't have to think about what you're going to do with it. So basically what Alexandra, because she does these for us, is that, this is one of hers, is that we're going to be designing the buckles ourselves, that she's going to be covering in leather. And an example, this is some of the examples, as you can see the one I have on. And the reason I like this is for investment pieces and stuff, because it's all leather, it's a simple statement, really nice, different than wearing anything else, yet it's not in your face, like it's not some with stones and everything like that. And what we decided to do is, when I was talking to Alexandra, I had all these different shapes I wanted, and I said, well, you know what, maybe we'll find out, we won't go to metal because it would be expensive to have them forge it and then have her cover it with leather. So one of the things I decided was, I said, you know what, and I think you guys may remember this is MX Jewelry, and they're good friends of us, very old, and we go and see them all the time. And what I said to her is, if you know a little bit about how the jewelry is made, they have these little squares and they have the equipment to cut out. So they design the cutouts, and the machine lasers it out. And then of course, each one of the pieces of jewelry like this would be cut and ground into shape, polished, and everything else. So I said to Alexandra, I said, you know what? We're going to Muriel and MX, and they will make the belt buckles. So we're going to design the shapes, like this is a design shape. I've got some other ones that I'm really interested in doing. We're going to do definitely ones that can go through the loops on your pants, which I know you've been looking forward to. I know that we have done these for customers. Okay, look at this. We did this, that was a simple. So I have all kinds of imagination on that. Here's just even some small ones, making a mess, as usual. See what I mean? So we're going to be designing and doing leathers for the store. We also have wrap-on ideas, which we've been working on, and that's going to be the one thing we're going to do. So I'll meet with Alexandra. We're also going to do some jewelry. I love this design that she does. It looks like gold. I don't know, maybe Kyra will take some pictures after. But I've seen some gorgeous necklaces made out of this, and it looks just like gold when it's on, and it really turns out beautiful. It's lightweight. I know whenever we've had them in the store, you have loved them, so we're going to reproduce it, make sure that we do that when I'm there. And also, we will then, when I go to Paris, which I go, I think we're a few days there, is I will go see Muriel. They'll be there, and then we will talk to them. They're all excited about designing the buckles. They have all of their ideas. So the target is to have a Marilyn's belt collection where they're covered with leather, and it'll be interesting to see what happens when they get delivered in the spring. Anyway, that's one of the things I want to do that's been a big one from you. The other thing that we were doing, I'm going to be seeing a lot more designers, new designers. Thank you, first of all, for enjoying the side zipper pants, both in the fall collection and in the fabrics that we used for summer. I waited, I didn't reorder, you wanted me to reorder so much, but I just saw the new colors for spring, and that's what we were waiting for. And when I go to Torino in Italy, we're gonna have shirts where we get our shirts made. We are gonna be able to reproduce some things that have been, we're reproducing this again. We're gonna do it in the navy and the blue, this is the most interesting, and we're gonna do it again with the fabrics on the interim. We have that in the making, and remember, the reason I put this pleating in here is so that you don't have to iron these things. The other one, that this one gives me an idea of, and I was looking back, we did a huge inventory of the whole store since we moved into this store. And one of the things I remembered was I came across an old style I used to do. Used to be a little red one like this. I used to have a zipper, which was a short zipper, and I know that people really love that. So I'm going to see if we reproduce that again, except this time we're going to have the zippers going down and the zippers coming up. Again with the pleating, so you don't have to do it. So we'll look for a really cool fabric to do that in. So that's what we're going to try and do. These are what I want to do. I have a customer who wants linen shirts, and you know what? I've never had a conservative or a tailored, that's a good word for it, tailored shirt. I'm going to see if by putting the pleating across the front in the linen would be really pretty. Probably the most one you want in that one is beige, but I'll check out some other colors to see too. Kind of got a really good idea in the new store with this last year. The other one too is this is the fabric. This is Belosi, which I know you all love. This is a fabric that we did, a jacket that a lot of you bought. We had to reorder it. It comes in this black and this gorgeous tone. I'm going to be wearing the black one on the plane to Europe because this fabric does not wrinkle and it's a good travel. And still, you don't stand out, so you have to worry about security, but you still are dressed nice that someone, when they meet you, they have kind of you look good and you feel good in it, you feel special. So that's one of the things we're doing, and I'm going to Sofia, Bulgaria for that. And that's where Belosi is made. And we are going to spend a few days there. And Ingrid, who's so nice, in fact, I think I'm trying to talk her in to come and see us. I will try. But anyway, I said I love this fabric, and she said, you know what, I'd be more than happy to sit down with you and design some lightweight fabrics for a fall collection. So I'll be working with her, which will be great. The other one is Italian, and they have some beautiful looks. This sold so well, really pretty, the standard kind of a new look on the shirtwaist dresses and stuff. And I already saw their lookbook and saw some of the others, so there'll be a lot of new stuff there. Definitely going to be stopping with them. They did this shirt, and I really like the fabric on this shirt. It's a nice shirt. It doesn't wrinkle or anything. Easy to take care of. In fact, I'm going to take it on my trip. And I thought to myself, you know what? Let's see what else they can do in this. Also, too, when I go there, I'm going to talk to them a little bit also about fall. We're trying to bring in fall collections again, like I used to have years ago. Well, we're going to have them again. So we'll talk to them also. They also do fall collections. That would be nice for us. A lot of the things that I want to do here, this is one of the biggest projects I have. I have to go in Italy. I have to go to Ancona for a few days. I have to see Tiziana. I'll try and get her to come. We'll see what happens. But this is a shoe. I really like the basis of this shoe, the square across it. In fact, you can see what we're going to do. And we're sort of redesigning the shoe department. And I'm going to do it by pants. So I've got to give you 3 types of shoes that go really well with pants. The wider the leg, the higher the shoe. That's why I'd like to bring in wedges. We haven't had wedges in for a while, and Tiziana said that we would be doing those kinds of things with it. This shoe also, this particular last, we have a lot of things we can do with it. I really want a cool shoe to wear with a pant like this. The wider the pant, the higher up. The more narrow the pant, you don't want to be, well, you can be, it's a sexy look. And, oh yeah, like, I don't think you want to be sexy. But I think what we will do is do something to do with that. So I'm looking for 3 new style flats and leathers and stuff fun to do with pants. And we're going to do the same thing with skirts. And I'm sort of going to look, well, with these types of skirts, what will be the best shoes? So it's a total redesigning of how I do the shoe department. So I'm excited. Comfortable. Oh my God. That's one of the other things I'll be doing. And I'm excited about the whole trip. So I must be doing something of importance. I am running into some smaller towns in Paris, and I am in Belgium. I'm going to a couple towns there that I'm walking around and looking for small collections. So I promise you, as I just promised you Holoes, but I really promise you I'm going to try very hard to work through to make a lot of this that really would be a dream for me to come true. And I know we're going to have a lot of new stuff to do because I have a really better idea here. We're going to expand the uniqueness. and the fun stuff. We're not going to be here for so much for fashion. We are here for fashion, but we're really looking for style so that our customers can put something on and they feel good in it and they want to wear it. And I really want them to come back, I wore out that piece that I had with you and I wore it, and every time I wore it, I got compliments. And you can be assured that when I go on every trip, that's what I'm looking for. So it's Marilyn from Marilyn's at 650 Goodland Frank Road, beating herself up to go get you some great stuff. I'll be in Europe for 6 weeks. Think of me, okay? Take care. Thanks a lot.